Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bot manager section of your WhatsApp store. So for us to do this, the first thing we have to do is we navigate to the sales channel section and then we select WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp section, you can see that we have various menu options here. So we are going to look at the bot manager option. So we go ahead and select it. All right, so this is the bot manager page. So this is where you manage the settings of your bots. So if you have any bot that has been set up for your WhatsApp account, that's your WhatsApp shop bot account, you'll be able to see the list of bots here. So currently you can see that we have set up one bot, and this is tied to our WhatsApp number, as you can see it here. So what we need to do is we need to look at these various sections here. So for the first one, the bot reply section, this is where we can add automated replies that customers will receive when they send us messages on WhatsApp. So these bot replies are controlled by keywords. So you can set up keywords. Let's say, for example, hello. If you want to set up a bot reply that the customer will receive when they type in hello as a message, you can come to the bot reply section and do it. So currently you see that we have various bot replies here, and we can add more by clicking on the create button here. All right. So this next section, called the chat widget section, is where we can set up chat widgets that we can share as a link to customers, or we can embed it on third-party websites. So currently you see that I have set up one chat widget here. I can proceed to copy the embed code by clicking on this button. All right. So you see that this has given us two options. We have the option to embed the JavaScript code, or we copy the shortcut link. So this would be a direct link to the WhatsApp widget. So we also have the option to use QR code. So if we want to share it as a QR code, we can come here and save this QR code and then share it with customers. So in this next section, sequences, we have the option to create a messaging sequence. So messaging sequences are a series of messages that will be sent based on a customer's action on your WhatsApp account. All right. So for this section, we have the input flow. So this section shows us a list of input flows that we have created. So input flows are mainly used to collect data from customers. So we are going to look at all these sections in details, but this is just a brief introduction on the various sections that we can use under the WhatsApp bot manager. Okay. So we have the WhatsApp flow. So this is where we can set up WhatsApp flow forms. So these are forms that we can use to also collect data from customers. So for example, if you want to set up a booking form or a contact us form, you can use the WhatsApp flows feature to do that. All right. So we are going to look at this also in another video. We'll look into it and see how we can use this feature. We also have the option to create what is known as messaging templates. So messaging templates are templates that we can use to send messages to customers outside the 24-hour window. So WhatsApp has has a 24-hour limit that you can send messages that's to customers. So if that hour period has passed, you then need to use messaging templates to contact the customer. So these are the messaging templates that we have created that we can send to customers outside the 24-hour window, right? We're also going to look at this also in details. So let's proceed. We have the WooCommerce and Shopify automation section. So this section allows us to integrate our third-party WooCommerce or Shopify store to the bot. So for example, if we click on the create button here, you see that we can create messaging campaigns based on the store type. So for example, if we choose the WooCommerce option here, you see it gives us the option to integrate the store API and also the action that will trigger the automation. So we have two types of actions. It can be an order notification or it can be a cash on delivery verification. So based on the action you select here, the customer will get a WhatsApp message using the templates that you also assign here as well. All right. So this is mainly for integrating with third-party WooCommerce or Shopify store. All right. For this section called outbound webhook, the outbound webhook settings allows us to integrate the bot to other third-party platforms. So for example, you see that we have set up a Zapier integration. So what this integration does is that based on an action that a customer performs, the customer will get an email notification using Zapier. So we are going to look at this in details in another video on how to perform this integration and also how to test it to ensure that it's working. All right. So we have the action buttons. So the action buttons, this is where we set up the actions that the bot will perform based on various events. For example, if a customer decides to select the option to chat with a human, we can come here and adjust the settings that will occur when the customer selects that action. If the customer sends a message that has no match, so that means no keyword has been assigned, we can come here and set the no match action so that the bot will provide a specific reply based on when the customer selects this action. All right, so we have other action buttons that we can also set up here, as you can see. So this will also be covered in another video. All right. So finally, we have the configuration section. So this is the general settings for the bot manager. So here we have the option to set the email that will receive the notification when a customer opts to chat with a human. We can also enable and disable the no match reply. All right. We can set up autoresponders. We can also set up additional automated email that will be sent through the bot. We can also set up SMS notification as well that will be sent automatically through the bot using the configuration section. So this is a brief introduction on the various sections we have under the WhatsApp bot manager page. So in this video, I've shown you the various sections of the bot manager feature. In the next video, we are going to look at how we can set up the various sections that I've just shown you in this video. So thank you for watching.